2 hours north of New York City lies 6,000 square miles of preserved land filled with endless miles of hiking trails. One weekend, my friend and I decided to explore this quiet wilderness known as the Catskill Mountains.
Say, who are we to pretend to know things we don't?
As we drive through the scenic roads, the horizon fills up with tall peaks that disappear into low-hanging clouds. The trees clear up and we're surrounded by towering giants on each side. A crystal clear river flows alongside us through the valley and creates a constant rumble. I see fishermen standing in the water near their campsites patiently waiting for their next catch.
To be at peace with and without knowledge and love.
Every few miles we come across an empty town with some stores and a handful of people roaming the main street. Each town has its own unique history that is passed down through stories from locals and frequent explorers of the area.
Knowledge and love. I see you and you see me. When I see you, oh.
Our first stop is one of the most popular attractions in the Catskill Mountains, the Kaaterskill Falls. There are a few short hikes at the top of the falls that provide a nice view of the stream and allow you to get up close to the crest. Engravings on the rocks contain a few words from a longer story that will continue to live through distant memories. Those looking to experience the falls from below can hike down 400 feet and watch the water turning into mist as it rains down.
All I care for is to know. I want you to feel alright. Feel alright. I don't pray and you don't pray.
We just saw the Kaaterskill Falls from the top, and now we're going to do a small hike down to the floor and see what it looks like from the bottom.
'Cause whenever I look in your eyes, my life sure seems quite alright. Quite alright. You got hurt and I got hurt. We drag each other out of that dirt. We can only talk and share. 'Cause love sure isn't always fair. Isn't fair. Now I don't know and you don't know what's to come and what to show. We can only love and share. 'Cause life sure isn't always fair.
Our stay for the 2 nights is in Lexington. a small town that used to be home to an artistic community in the early 1900s. Random objects scattered around the rooms give a glimpse of the past and uncover hidden mysteries of the remote mountains. We came to know that the owners host multiple groups in the same house, making it a great space for meeting others visiting the area.
So we're gonna go like this. On the return journey, we're gonna do it like that. And then.
Still waiting around for some mystical shit in the wind, sunny place. Don't go just yet.
This is our second day in the Catskills, and we are about to do the Indian Head and Twin Mountain hike. The first 30 minutes of it I think is pretty flat, and then the steepness starts. There we go, yo.
And you drove me to the ocean. Pick me up and dipped me in. You picked me up and dipped me.
Sunlight flares through small openings in the trees and faintly lights up different sections of the ground. There's a slight coolness in the air from heavy rainfall a few days ago. The trail has limited viewing points along the way, but surprises me with a beautiful opening at the peak of the mountain.
You go bags packed, and you hang over gone, another dawn at the edge of the known world. Didn't see a mountain till the edge.
We just reached the saddle, which is after the Indian Head summit. Next stop is Twin Mountain, and then we're gonna make a loop back and go back down.
Watching it all tumble into view. Watching it all tumble into view. Tell you that I do.
Here's the view from the Twin South Peak mountain. Pretty nice. The Indian Head didn't really have a good view, but this one's pretty nice. There's a bunch of mountains in the distance. And then there's another peak on this side, but I don't think we're gonna do that. I think we're gonna head back. What do you think of the hike?
Easy.
Easy. It was a breeze. It was a breeze. Cut to you gasping for air. Very nice.
I guess.
Yeah, good workout.
Not too easy, not too difficult.
Okay, we'll see you at the bottom probably.
Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully, or the hospital.
Lay me down so to let you leave. Tell me lies, I wanna see your eyes. Is it a crime to say I still need you? Wanna feed you.
There's a huge wasp nest outside of the door, and I just got stung in the head. So I just started running. Ow, bro, what the hell was that? Kind of hurt, just like right behind my head. And I was just walking outside, and this dude just came flying at me from behind me, and I didn't see it. And that, I think it bit me, or it just came really fast, and the impact was really high, and it hurts. But that was an eventful morning. I don't really know what the symptoms of a wasp sting are, so I'm gonna have to look at that. But on the good side, I met a friend at the Airbnb. There's a couple of people staying here, and that's his bike, so that's why I woke up early. Maybe get some videos of him on the bike, and maybe ride it for myself while he's in the back seat. So hopefully that still happens. I'm gonna quickly look up what the symptoms of a wasp. Okay, now I'm like really paranoid because now whenever I hear a noise, I get scared. We got my friend José over here. We're about to ride this bike. I'm all geared up. I look mad goofy, but it should be fun. Yeah. Looking good, right? So we'll see how it is. On the way to Diamond Notch Falls, I hear leaves rustling in all directions as the wind swirls its way through the forest. Some of the foliage is already beginning to change color, signaling that fall is just around the corner. We spend some time sitting on the rocks and talking over relaxing music of water rushing by. Catskills is a wonderful place to visit whether it's for a weekend or for a week. Countless activities in the area keep you busy in all seasons and provide something exciting for everyone. Next time, I hope to travel the Devil's Path Trail and spend a night sleeping next to the spirited trees.